Breaking right now at 5, new and rapid developments on the coronavirus. Here is what we know right now. Authorities in Washington state report 4 more deaths today linked to coronavirus. That brings to 6 the total number of people who have died in that state and across the country. Federal officials say there are now 100 confirmed cases in the U.S. One of those was a patient in Wisconsin who has since recovered and been sent home. Here at home, the Milwaukee Health Department now has kits on hand to test for coronavirus. Stephanie Haynes live in the newsroom on how health officials across the state are getting ready. Stephanie.
Steve, the state says they can get these test results in 1 to 2 days, and they have the ability to test hundreds of people. This as health workers are now investigating 2 pending cases in the state. That's up from 1 since yesterday. Wisconsin health officials are bracing for the potential spread of the coronavirus, now with testing kits available here in Milwaukee and Madison.
Together, the availability of testing at both the state lab and the Milwaukee City lab will mean faster results and increased capacity for testing in Wisconsin.
As of Monday, state health workers are investigating 2 pending cases of coronavirus. So far, 18 have tested negative, and the 1 person who tested positive has been released and is doing well. State officials say the risk is still low, but are stressing good hygiene, especially as we quickly approach the peak of flu season.
Because the demands as this expands and potentially moves to a community spread, the demands on the healthcare system are going to be significant.
State health workers say anyone who returns from a country with an existing coronavirus outbreak must self-quarantine and monitor for symptoms. And that's what 4 people in Milwaukee are doing after returning from China. You must meet the criteria from the CDC to be tested for the coronavirus. That includes fever, coughing, history of travel, or history of close contact with a confirmed case. In the meantime, health officials say prepare yourself for disruptions to your daily life as they try to control the spread.
I mean, these are personal disruptions, and I think we can expect there to be more of that.
In the meantime, health officials say no need to change your plans for spring break or domestic travel. Just make sure you practice the same good hygiene as you would at home. Live in the newsroom, Stephanie Haynes, TMJ4 News.